Hi there, my name's Heather from Blooming Artificial, and today we're going to arrange an artificial palm tree and get it looking in tip-top shape. Let's begin. Once you've unpacked your palm, it might look a little bit different to the photos on our website because of the way it's been packed, but it only takes a few minutes to arrange the foliage. First, bend out each frond from the bottom to the top. You can be quite firm with them, and you should try and aim for a natural arch, just like a real palm. If you look at a photo of a natural palm tree, you'll notice that the leaves on the top tend to point upwards slightly more, so you might want to leave the tallest leaves to be a little more upright. Next, run your fingers over the leaves to straighten out any folds in the foliage. If there's any that don't come out straight away, they'll usually drop out on their own within a few days. You might find it helpful to refer to a photo of your faux's natural version as a guide. When you're happy that your faux is looking its best, you're all ready to pair it with a stylish pot and pop it straight into its new space. Let us know if there's anything you'd like us to cover in a future video. Thanks for watching.